Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2015 65 Reg 118i M Sport 3-door hatch. The car is presented in Alpine White, features the Y&C body enhancement kit as well as some nice features from BMW. With all of our vehicles, it is physically in stock and is ready to be driven away. If you would like more information, you're of course welcome to use the links that are in the description box. But let's get into talking about the car itself. It's got the original 18-inch M Sport alloys in high gloss black. Alongside that, we've added our front splitter, matching kidney grills, side vinyls, Y&C M performance decals, aero mirror caps, rear spoiler and the diffuser. Being in the Alpine White, this is quite possibly the most popular colour combination for the 1 Series. Really does stand out with the in-house enhancement kit and does certainly look very, very nice indeed. The 1 Series is a great balance between a very, very nice to drive hatchback, all at the same time as remaining a practical one, and in the case of this vehicle, a very nicely equipped one. You have got a good sized boot, as you can see. You do also get folding rear seats there as well to give you that extra bit of room. Round onto the passenger side, where once again, as you can see, the bodywork has been nicely looked after. You have also got rear privacy glass inside. It benefits from the half Alcantara, half cloth highlight seats, which was, of course, leather would be perceived as the general upgrade for these seats. I think they're a really nice balance between not being too cold in the colder months and, of course, not being roasting hot when we eventually do get the summer. I happen to also think they look really nice as well. Full 3-seat Isofix rear bench. This one is a 7-speed auto. And we shall go around then and take a seat in at the driver's side and spend a few moments just highlighting a couple of the interior features. So it benefits from cruise control and speed limiter on this car, both of which are options for the 1 Series. It's covered just over 76,000. You have got the business nav and media, so that's your nav view, Bluetooth telephone, DAB radio alongside front CD, USB AUX lining. I've also got Bluetooth media as well. And in terms of the servicing, let's of course check that for you now. So it isn't due a service for 5,000 miles. And service history wise, as you can see, it's got predominantly BMW service history. The last one was done by an independent, but again has got full iDrive service history. So if you would like to know more, you're of course welcome to use the links that are in the description box. For the time being, thank you, take care, bye bye.